Hey, good morning, fellas. Let's go. We're live. We're here. We are here, folks. How we doing, fellas? How about that CPI? Man, what a move. What a move. Crazy day. Crazy times we live in. Market, shameless new highs. Good morning, Namak. Good morning, Neo. How are we doing, everybody? Hey, Louisa C. Good morning. And the non-fellows. When I say fellows, I'm like, that's like a group term. That includes the ladies as well. Louisa. JK, good morning. Oliver, good morning. TJP, good morning. Okay, well, this is going to be an interesting day, isn't it? This is going to be an interesting day. But hmm. All right. Hey, Apex did not update my account yesterday, and I had a great profitable day. So frustrating. I'm not sure what you mean, Louisa. Matty Matt. Hey, Matty Matt. Good morning. Felipe, good morning. Saral, good morning. Oliver, good morning. So Apex did not update my account yesterday, and I had a great profitable day. Then you wouldn't want them to update your account, right? I don't understand, Louisa. The accounts are only reset if you have losing days. Why would you want your account reset if you had a profitable day? Hey, good morning, Michael. Or am I missing something? Yes, the count. So basically, from Monday to Tuesday, if you were net negative for Monday, Tuesday, then your accounts were reset to the prior balance. I traded and made money. I want the money added to my evals. I'm so confused. I'm so confused, Luis. I feel like I'm missing something. You said that you weren't updated, like your accounts weren't reset. I see, Felipe. I see. Yeah, I think they're still kind of working on updating some. I traded on June 11th, and there is no record of me trading on that day. So you're saying that you were reset. Your original message said you were not reset. Are you saying that you were reset, but you had a profitable day? But did you have a losing day on Monday? Because they looked at it from Monday to Tuesday. So Monday, Tuesday, the combined P&L. I was not reset. I don't want to be reset. But you said you weren't reset and you don't want to be reset. So that means everything's good? Question mark? Earnings don't show up on the Apex site. Yeah, not yet. Not until after tonight. The updates on the dashboard and stuff will not work until, or won't update until later, like end of day today. She's talking about the website not having the new data because it's delayed. Oh, I see. I see. I'm sorry, Louisa. It went over my head. I did not understand. Sorry. But yeah, don't worry about that. The accounts online won't update until end of day today. When you said they haven't been added to your account, I assume you mean to the dashboard from June 11th has not been up. Yeah, I just need to wait. Right, your dashboard wasn't updated from yesterday's trading. Correct. It won't be until after 5 tonight. What's the name of the volume at the bottom? This is called, let me look. Volume up down. All right, I'm very curious. Let's see what we do here at the open. It's gonna be interesting. You don't know the average age here, but you feel old. Hey, no need to feel old. I'm 40 years old, so you know I'm right in the middle. It can't be too old or too young. No problem, Neil. Oh. Usually after a big move like this, we see, it retrace at least part of it, but I don't know. I actually don't think it's going to. I think we're going to just rip and continue to go higher because, why not? You're not going to trade it until it's resolved. I will say, though, so far today, like from what I've seen, even with CPI, there's been no rhythmic issues. So that is a very, very, very good sign. Hopefully the rhythmic issues are a thing of the past, knock on wood. That's an 11-year-old, you bastard. Millennials run the world. Did he say I'm 40? Yes, I am 40. That would be correct. Everybody says I look young, so I guess that's good. I don't know if it's because I look young or if it's because I act young. I'm not sure. Hey, Peter Schapp, good morning. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. Trader's Chick, good morning. How about Daryl resetting all the accounts red from Sunday on? Yeah, that was... See, Daryl needs to be the face and the spokesperson for Apex, not John. Okay? I love you, John, but you need to be one of those that is in the back and we don't see you. We don't see you. We don't hear from you. But Daryl needs to be the talking face for Apex. He does a much better job of coming across to the customer. or I thought it was a very well said message to the customers, and it was just, yeah, it was really good. All right, let's see. We pull back to what? Maybe 400s? I mean, this news event was from the 270s all the way up to the 460s. Almost a 200-point rip higher on this CPI news. What I do for work, I'm a 50% owner in a small business. We do hospitality, restaurant, furniture. I do drawings for that. Drawings in the financials. Millennials are like fine wine. Gen X and Gen Z are aging exponentially. It's going to be a very interesting day to trade because we got FOMC minutes at what, 2:00? So it's going to get interesting. All right, we are about a minute away from open. Excuse me. Hey, Jerry Trade, how we doing? How we doing? Good to see you. Thank you. I appreciate that, Jerry Trade. I appreciate that. Mine is correct. R Trader Pro. Okay, so it sounds like the R Trader Pro, everything is fine, everything is updated, but like we've mentioned, the account balances are not going to update until the end of today. Yeah, the press conference is at 2:30. I don't know. Usually the press conference almost has more volatility than the initial move of 2:00. If my stop loss is 50 ticks and take profit is 16, take it okay, you think I get approved? T, they're going to look at your average win-loss ratio. If it's around 1 to 4, you'll be okay, which that would be. So you should that should be fine. Yeah, Matt. They made it very clear. Apex posted in their Discord that they are not going to reset accounts if you traded this morning's CPI news. But to my knowledge, there were no issues. So I mean, that's a good sign. All right, we are pulling back here at the open. See how far we go. We're below the 380s here. Let's see. Let's see how far she wants to go. I mean, I find it hard to believe that we're going to close the gap all the way. There's just no way. That is there? I guess there's always a way, but I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. I got payout approved. Let's go, Mooncatcher. Even if something happens today, yeah, exactly. My account reset and basically deleted all trades from the 10th and the 11th. Yeah, Ace, if you were net negative from Sunday to yesterday, then your accounts are reset. So, hey, Namak, thank you. We will pull back to the 411. Okay, all right. Sounds good. Hey, good morning, John. Oh, wow, look at this rip higher now. See, I wouldn't be shocked if we trap the shorts here, people that think we're going to gap fill, and now we're just going to rip it. I would not be shocked at all. Here we go. Everybody hold on. Everybody hold on. Shorts are getting squeezed. All right, let's see what we do here. Is it going to continue? Here we go at the 420s. We all know the 420s are magic. And 425s. Kind of got some resistance here at the 425s. See if we squeeze through this. If we squeeze through this, you'd think we're gonna aim for new highs here. All those people playing for the gap fill are getting squeezed. They got them where they want them. Don't trade on Rithmic. Are people having Rithmic issues? I haven't heard anyone having Rithmic issues. Oh, yeah, Peter Schaap. That's unfortunate. I thought about that too. Who bought that dip? Exactly. All right, here we go. Above the 430s here. Very bullish. Oh, someone was asking. Someone was asking if I passed any 250Ks on the CPI news. And I am very pleased to announce that yes, we did. Let's go. Let's go. Actually, here I can show. Somewhere here I can show it. I'm waiting now. People are gonna call me. Oh, you just YOLO'd evals, and my response to that is, and yes, I did. But right there's the 250K accounts that I did pass this morning. $57,000 in profit. 57,000 profit per account. So I think that'll pass. I did double check also to make sure it didn't go into admin mode, because that can happen when it's so volatile that you can have a really big green, a lot of profit, but you can still hit your drawdown. So we are good. We have 8. We have 8 250K accounts that passed this morning. So I'll be honest, I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty excited about that. Let's go. Blue 4 evals because I can't cover. You still can't cover, John? Is anyone? That's so weird, because I don't see anyone else having any Rithmic issues, John. Is it Rithmic or is it Trade of 8? Back to the 20 PAs then. I mean, I guess I'm going to activate these 8. I still have 4. I still have 4 more 250K accounts, and I might try to pass those on the FOMC today. If we do, that would mean we'd have 12. I bought 12 250K accounts with the 90% sale, with the idea, I have 8 funded accounts. If I add 12 more, now I'm at 20. I'm at 20 accounts. I only traded 8 of them this morning. Yeah, Adam Buckner. I'm not even going to deny it. We YOLO'd them. I said, if I'm going to pass a 250K account, the only way I'm doing it is YOLOing it on a news event. I don't care what people say. They can say whatever they want. That's how I'm doing it. And thankfully it worked. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. How we doing? Yeah, I think I will, Matty Matt. I think I'm going to trade the other 4 on the FOMC news. See if we can pass, see if we can pass those. And hey, if we do, I guess we'd be back in the 20 account category, which I wasn't really thinking that I would. My goal wasn't really to get 20 accounts, but hey, I guess if we do it, we do it. I don't know. I hope, Matty Matt. I mean, my plan on the 250K accounts are just, I'm hoping just to take it slow and just treat them like 50K accounts. I'll definitely be trading minis, but just, build them up. It's going to take a while, though. It's going to require patience, because we need to get $6,000, $6,500 is our profit goal. But what I really like about the 250K account is, with the funded account, is after you take a payout, you still have $3,500 in drawdown left. which is really cool. If you can get to the, that's required. You get there. So, care to share how I did it? Yeah, I will share. So one thing I've noticed on CPI is the initial spike is usually very volatile and the spreads and everything are really crazy. So I actually, I had my order all the way up here at the 320s. And I had a buy limit order all the way up here at the 320s. And I think that's what got me to pass without hitting the admin mode instead of doing it like right here. Because here it kind of spiked up and then it spiked lower and then ripped higher. But I had my order, buy limit order at 320. I don't know. My take profit was somewhere here, but I got so much slippage to the upside. That's why you see 57,000 in profit instead of 15. But hey, we'll take it. Yeah, Peter Shap, it is. It is. Oh yeah, Black Coffee. They did say that it is going to take some time. Hey, Captain Price, how we doing? Trader J, how we doing? Pearls, Peter Shap, be better today. Takamura, good morning. Rain 1980, good morning. Look at this, guys. The shorts got squeezed. Everybody thinking we're going to gap fill. They were misled. We are at new all-time highs. Shameless new highs. We are at the 460s. Unbelievable. I haven't traded my PA accounts on. I haven't done any trades on my PA accounts today. I might actually not trade my PA accounts today with all this volatility. I don't know. We'll see how price action unfolds, but I want to be careful. I'm so close. My accounts are so close. We have this account. I mean, this account here is $800 away. That's the biggest one. This is the streaming account. I was looking yesterday. This account here, I've traded now for, I think, 48 days. Or this is the $1,800 account I've already taken a payout on. And I want to see actually how many days I've traded it, but 48. So I've traded that account 48 days already. Hopefully we can get that. We need $800 more for this account. We only need $160 more on this account, $155 on this one. And then we only need $40 more and $10 more on these. So really, really close to securing payout for 7 accounts. And then we still have this kind of straggler lagging behind. But hopefully we can. Yeah, hopefully we can. I will definitely trade this account, but I might not trade my other accounts today. Wait for a little less volatility. Wow, look at this market. Absolutely shameless new highs. Wow. Hey, Garrett, good morning. Michael, good morning. Pilgrim, good morning. I have passed my eval in 3 days, but Apex didn't write in the dashboard complete. Moreover, their bot says I need to trade 7 days. No, Pilgrim, just wait. So they've been doing Rithmic updates. Just wait until the end of today, and then it should be updated, and you should get the email that you've passed. Oh no, Maddie. That trailing stop. I hate the trailing stop sometimes. How do I trade minis? I don't find that option in NinjaTrader. You just go to the symbol NQ. NQ right here. If you do the drop down right here and you go to futures, right here's the minis. And if you go to the micros, you go here to micros. Man, I might need to jump in here. This is starting to look like one of those, looking like one of them days where we might just keep going higher. I mean, this is crazy. Look at the daily chart. Look at this daily chart. Or the weekly chart. Talk about bullish. That is crazy. Hey, we are ripping. Woof. Unbelievable. We're going to get to the 500s for sure. Crazy times we live in. Man, buying right here off the 380s here. Whew, man, that would have been a sweet, sweet runner. Would have been hard to hold, though. Come on. Need this thing to pull back a little bit. Wouldn't mind seeing a pullback to the 460s here. Kind of hard just to jump in. Wow, there she goes. It's just going to keep going. She wants to rip. No mercy. No mercy for the shorts. Yeah, Powell might. I don't know. This is gonna be a very interesting day because we got the FOMC coming out. I mean, I have no idea what's gonna happen, but this thing could just keep going. Hey, up, down, left, right. I have one blown Rithmic count. It's been reset, but it's still in admin mode. Gonna wait to see if it fixes by tonight. Yeah, that sounds like the right thing to do. Up, down, left, right. If it doesn't, then probably need to put in a support ticket. Are you talking? Was that today, Kid Poker? Yeah, the new sales is 71% off. Was that with the CPI news, Kid Poker? Come on, pull back a little bit here. You can do it. Excuse me. Did Apex get rid of the 1-day pass? No, the 1-day pass is still going on. Oh, really? NVIDIA's just cranking too? Unbelievable. I'm not surprised. If 1-day pass ended with 90%, well, At least earlier it was said that the 1 day current promotion, from what I was told, is 71% off, but a 1 day pass is still, the 1 day pass is still in effect. That is what that's the information I have. All right, let's see. We ripped up to the 500s here. Everybody hold on. We're just not getting any pullback here that I can justify diving in here. Yeah, GF trading, that's been a known issue. They're working on it. But yeah, I would put in a support ticket. Yeah, Kid Poke, I mean, I'll be honest, today so far, Rithmic has been holding up really well considering that it's been CPI news. So John was saying that he couldn't get out of a trade, but I have not been seeing that anywhere else really. So I'm not really sure. Wait, guys, this is breaking news. So the 250K eval is still priced. Oh, okay. Wait, yeah, okay, I see. So the 250K eval is still the same price as the 50K account. All right, we did breach 500s. Now, I mean, we got to pull back here, right? We got to pull back at least a little bit. So basically, the 250K evals are still the same price as a 50K account, but it's only 71% off. Yes, Matty Matt, yes. Which is still, I guess, not a terrible, I guess, yeah, it's better than, I guess, you know, it's still a decent price for the 250K account. Yeah, Ace Undercover. I don't know. I need to get some kind of pullback here before I can just justify diving in. I do not want to be a bag holder here once this decides to pull back 100 points. Yeah, digital. There, it's the eval creation has been way behind because they've been working on updating the Rithmic and everything. So I don't really know when you can expect those accounts that you bought last night. I'm not sure. Come on, pull back. You're generational all-time highs. Yeah, least estimator. One question, the payout method just takes me to an ATF site. Is that what you had to do to update your payment method? Yeah, read through and read through the, everything, all the information there, and then it tells you how you need to update it, Jerry. Anyone else see a V-shaped reversal? I mean, I don't. I can't. I mean, gosh, this is. I'm gonna need to see a little deeper pullback here before I just jump in here. I might miss this move, but I'm okay with it. I just know as soon as I jump in, this thing could pull back 40, 50 points easy. Oh, Takamara, I'm so sorry, man. That was my fear when I passed my 250Ks, because it can happen so quickly. I mean, it's just part of it. Like, that's the risk you take. But as soon as my positions closed, everything, I quickly opened Rithmic Trader, and to see if I was in admin only mode. I wasn't sure what to expect, but thankfully mine wasn't. But I'm sorry, Takamara. I'm sorry, man. That's unfortunately the risk of. Did you have your buy stop order like down like around the 270s, 260s? Because I have seen quite a bit of people that said basically that, right, like those accounts were, a lot of those were admin only modes with big profits that had their buy stop order all the way down here. And I think it was because of this move, I think. But I'm not sure. But yeah, that's unfortunate. Is there an admin mode for trade of 8 evals, Daryl? I mean, basically, if you can place a trade, you should be good. If I traded the early morning news, Eric, yes, I did. I YOLO'd some eval, the 250K evals. I passed 8 250K evals this morning on the CPI news. I'm pretty stoked about it, if I'm being honest. I'm pretty excited to have those. I'm pretty excited. I have 4 more remaining, and I might try to pass those 4 accounts on FOMC today. Yeah, you should be good then, Daryl. The other thing I did is I didn't go max contracts, because on these big news events, you don't have to go max contracts, and it just allows you a little bit more wiggle room, so your drawdown isn't hit as easily. So we will probably activate those 250K accounts, and it's going to be a slow grind getting those to 6,500 in profit. It's definitely going to take some time, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, pulling back again. We did not make new highs on this move, so just need a deeper pullback here. They might throw me out of my way. Go SPDC. Yeah. I mean, I was kind of on the fence for a long time. I tried to pass a couple 250Ks and failed. And then I was like kind of done with them. And then last week I was like, you know what? I'm going to give it another try. I'm going to try it because, you know, the price just made sense with 90% off. Why not? And so I'm glad I gave it another shot. But though passing those 250K accounts is no joke. How many contracts I traded? I think I went with 20. I went with 20 instead of 27, which is still a lot, but does give you a little bit more wiggle room. And usually those moves are plenty enough. I mean, we had more than enough of a move to pass with. You could have passed with 10 contracts. Unbelievable. Here we go. It's just pumping it again. You're unable to log into your Ninja platform? That's weird. Oh, is it? Matty Matt, $35 account resets? Wait, I did not see that. Oh, I did see, and I'm blind. So $35 resets means, oh man, I got to do the math, but it probably makes more sense to do 2 reset accounts than it does to buy new ones. Especially like on bigger accounts. Expires tomorrow, Matty Matt? No. This expires July 15th. Or no, June 18th, sorry. June 18th it expires. Are you having issues with Rithmic? No, I'm not. So far I haven't. Well, I guess to be honest, I haven't taken a trade on my I took trades on the evals this morning, which actually surprisingly, Rithmic this morning was surprisingly good for CPI. Like I would say it was very normal for that type of news event. Yeah, 3:30 this morning, Rithmic was still down. Yep, basically all night, Apex Rithmic servers were being worked on. You had a question earlier. All right, I'll try to find it. Lost my PA earlier this week during the issues. Still haven't received a reset or answer from support. I passed another account yesterday, but nothing from yesterday. On Rithmic, it shows correctly, but on their platform, it still shows my data like it was 2 days ago. Yeah, Nicholas. So the data on the Apex website is not correct. What you see in your Rithmic account, in your Rithmic Trader Pro, that is correct. It's going to probably go until end of day today before that updates to the correct amount, is what I assume. Walk away from the market today. That's not a bad idea, Jerry Trade. Today's kind of one of them days where it's, I mean, we're kind of holding up here, but, or what I don't like about this, after this big of a move, I know we can pull back 40, 50 points in a blink of an eye with NQ. And I just don't really want to be caught and trapped in that trade. You didn't receive the message yet where you can activate my new pass PA from yesterday. Yeah, those messages are also delayed. And they said those the emails for the active, if you passed an eval yesterday, those emails probably won't get them until end of day today as well. They're just very, very behind, and they've been working on updating the Rithmic issues. And yeah, hopefully, knock on wood, but man, I really hope that the Rithmic issues are solved. They need to be solved. It's been rough. It has been rough, but Apex is, I mean, you definitely can't fault them for not making things right, or at least doing as good of a job as possible with making things right. So Apex, they've always done what's right and gone above and beyond what they really probably needed to do. But obviously, there's still people that have issues. Maybe, and there's things that get, fall through the cracks, so to speak. Yeah, Leo, I would gladly, I would gladly sacrifice even being able to trade for a day. I would gladly have Rithmic shut down for a whole day of trading to make, if that would mean that things are fixed. But I don't know. Obviously, I'm not a tech person. I don't know how that works. You're unable to log into your Ninja platform, Justice? I have no idea. Like, what message do you get? If I'm using the Apex copy trader, I'm not. I'm actually using what, I think it's Affordable Indicators trade copier, but I used to use the Replicanto one, but since there are issues or questionable business practices, I don't use them anymore. Man, it's tempting here to go long. All right, I need to I need to go use the restroom. I'll be right back. Oh, and we're back. And new shameless new highs. Oh man, this is crazy. Ay ay ay. Unbelievable. This is one of those days where you keep thinking that the market can't just keep going up, but it can. It really can. Already trading, yeah. Sometimes I do feel like I'm just here to offer support questions. But it's okay. We're here to help people. All right. Maybe we can get to the 19, maybe we can get to 20,000 today. Yeah, Matty Matt. Maybe we can get to 20,000 today. That's crazy. But man, it's crazy. Do I have to really just jump in here and hold on? Trading any news on here? Any news on their Discord about resets on the open today? Yeah, John, they made it very clear that if you trade the news today, do not expect resets. Not going to happen. They made it pretty clear in their Discord. Hey, Sorrel, no problem. Jim Rays. Good morning, Jim Rays. How we doing? Oh, the open? I didn't hear anything on the open. It's really weird, John. Yeah, that I was watching. I didn't see anyone with issues, but I didn't trade, so I also don't have. I don't know either. You have 16 evals and been trading micros and been being too good. Am I being too conservative? Feels like it's taking me a long time to pass. Honestly, Louisa, if you're new to trading or learning to trade, what you're doing is very smart. Use those evals to gain experience. So trade him slowly, get screen time, take your time. Don't let anyone else tell you what pace you should be trading. If you're being, the only thing I would say is try to have the evals passed within 30 days. Because obviously, I always think, it's not worth getting rebuild for that eval the second month. Like, try to have them passed, in that first 30-day span. That's the main thing I would say. Yeah, exactly, Jan Wu. If you can make 100 to 400 trading micros, that's great. All right, pull them back. Yeah, $35 reset in our email. This is for eval resets. Yes, Neo. Yep, you can't reset PAs. ES drawdowns freak me out. Yeah, Luisa, that's but hey, Luisa, if you're being consistent, You're doing great, Luisa. I would say keep doing what you're doing. If you're making 100 to 4 trading micros, that's awesome. Exactly. Yeah, just make sure, Luisa, make sure you're aware of the Apex rules. Make sure you're not, dollar cost averaging, even though it's allowed on evals, it's probably a good idea to practice and follow the rules for the PAs in the evals as well if you're taking it slow. So nice, Luisa. That's awesome. That is awesome. We love to see it. Hey, good morning, Go and Trades. How we doing? Yeah, you can scale out, but yeah, I've actually thought about that, Go and Trades. Like, I trade one mini here, and I have actually thought about trading 10 micros so that I can take take 5 of them off at one target and then try to get 5 micros with a runner. I've really considered it, but it's, to me, just, I haven't done it just because of the commissions and everything. And I also struggle with trying to get a runner going. And the more and more I trade, the more that I think trying to have runners with NQ is just, it's difficult. Oh, it's just difficult. Captain Price, shameless new highs. But yeah, I've really thought about switching to 10 micros, taking 5 off at 22 ticks, and then letting 5 of them for a runner and kind of move my stop manually as, just kind of whatever I see. But I just feel like it with NQ, I don't know. I mean, it just feels like it always hits that stop. And it's very frustrating, to be honest. I don't know. I feel like you're better off just taking your full profit and looking for another entry. But here we go again. I mean, I should just be going. I should just be buying these pullbacks. I really should. I don't know why I'm doing the exact thing that I usually kind of say not to do, and that is to think it can't go higher. But at this point, I'm okay just missing this move. I don't know. I guess I'm not really okay with it, but I do not want to chase this move, I guess, for sure. Runners are nice on trending days, but yeah, they work right. They don't work well on ranging days, which, yep, 100%. Yeah, that's the thing, Leo. The fees really do stack up, and you really do need to get some really nice runners to justify doing it that way. Hey, nicely done, Matty Matt. Nicely done. That's awesome. Let's go. Hey, Hammerstone Fitness in the house. Good morning. How we doing? Apex is buying influencers like mad. What do you mean, Hammerstone Fitness? Hey, how we doing, Hammerstone? Did I miss something? Check the link I posted from Oh, I saw that. Michael Patak trying to make stuff up again. You want me to? So are we to believe? Because I did see that. Hang on. If I only trade NQ, I do, JMB. I only trade NQ at the moment anyway. You started with CL and GC? Okay, interesting. I've thought about it, but yeah, so far I'm just going to stick with NQ until, I guess if NQ lets me down too much, then I probably will change, but yeah, Michael Batak. Oh, we have a rumor mill. Okay, so then here's what I want to ask. Are we supposed to believe that Top Step doesn't pay any of their influencers? Like, are we supposed to believe that? Like, that's a head scratcher because I'm pretty sure that they have an affiliate program where they pay out, I don't know how much per month, but I'm just going to go out on a limb and say it's not $0 because that's what Apex, he's accusing Apex of. So he says someone here has like 10 million a month in marketing and buying influencers. What does he mean by buying influencers? Maybe I'm missing out. Maybe I'm missing out on something. I think they are ending an affiliate program, which makes sense with Top Step TV. Oh, really, Hammerstone? Like they're just ending their affiliate program altogether. Because I know that they paid, I mean, I don't know any specific numbers, but we're talking hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars that they were paying Patrick Whelan, and I'm assuming trades by Matt, et cetera, et cetera. But I'm curious, does he think like that's some kind of bragging that they're not going to pay any affiliates? Because I got news, they're going to have a very, I mean, honestly, that's really good news for Apex because guess what? All these influencers, they're going to switch over to promote XYZ. They're not going to promote Top Step for free. Or what benefit would there be to promote them in any shape or form? Look at this shameless new highs. Absolutely shameless. Oh, this is such a good trade too. Oh, it hurts my soul. It's the perfect little pullback, little micro pullback, and just keep ripping higher. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. Ah, this is where you cannot have FOMO. You just gotta totally accept missing out on a move and be okay with it, as hard as it is. Influencers are cringe and have no credibility. Hammerstone, I bet you would. That might be a perception that you have, but trust me when I tell you, these prop firms wouldn't be in existence if it wouldn't be for influencers. Right or wrong, how would you have heard about trading with prop firms if it wouldn't be for influencers? I mean, there's definitely like pros and cons to it, but it's about like if you're a prop firm owner, it's about getting your product out to as many people as you can. It's the same. It would be the same thing as if you had a product to sell and you just decided you're not going to advertise anymore, and then you think you're going to keep growing the company. Top Step's been around for 15 years. That's my whole point, Hammerstone. And they got there and they grew because of affiliates and because of the partners. That's my whole point. or let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I mean, let APEC or let Top Step completely not do any more, stop doing any affiliates, start doing any partnerships, everything. Just stop. And then in 1 year from now, let's see what happens. It's not about partners, but it's about advertisement and getting your product out to people. If you stop doing that, your company's not going to grow. Which I guess they're saying that they basically are doing that with their Top Step TV, like solely from that alone. So I guess maybe I guess I can see that point. They're basically just removing they want only people to watch Top Step TV, and that's the only promotion that they have to do. If I would still promote Apex, even if it didn't provide affiliate links, I mean, I would still trade with Apex. Yeah, I would because I can get the best payouts or the easiest way to get a payout for me. But it would still be, I would still trade with Apex, but would I go out of my way to promote them for free? I mean, if I could help the users and share, a discount or whatever that might be, yes. But yeah, it's not how it works. All right, we are fine. We're getting another pullback. I'm trying to decide where we trust this one. Oh, it's hard. Look at the 4-hour chart. Literally, there is nothing to see to the left. You know how everybody always says you got to look left? Well, there's nothing there. It disappeared. His shameless prediction, NQ 19125. Ooh, JMB with a bold call out. This is rough. Man. Unbelievable. This is starting to frustrate me, actually. They call their affiliates partners, 15% commission, 30 sales in the first month. You get a free combine. Man, Apex needs to do that. I never get a free combine, or I never have. Yeah, DL. I mean, I know that, but I guess according to some rumors, they're going to take that away, I guess? Question mark? I don't know. Is Apex back to 7 days to pass an account? No, it's to 1 day pass. The 1 day pass is still in effect. Okay, pull them back again here. Make me feel a little bit better. You made your first on your turn 50K account. It's going to be my first payout ever. Let's go. Let's go, Amakri. Yo, you know what? I just realized. Hang on. Da-dun. I haven't been using my GIFs lately. This is for you, Amakri. Congratulations on your first payout. Let's go. Would love to see it. We love to see it. They get views on YouTube so that YouTube revenue cover whatever they're trying to do. Yeah, I mean, okay. Don't fall for people that say they're doing a YouTube channel. Or let me say this. No one is doing a YouTube channel without motive. Like, there's no one doing a YouTube channel that is just completely, like, that is not monetized. And well, I guess I shouldn't say no one. Maybe someone is, and that's totally fine if they are. But like, I don't understand the how would I say, like, people want to get upset. Like, some people want to get upset that YouTubers make money. Like, it that just boggles my mind. It's like, what do you expect? Like, are you, and what really gets me is when it doesn't cause and it doesn't cost you as a viewer anything. Like, YouTubers that are not asking you to subscribe to a member service, or they're not asking you to subscribe and pay. They're not promoting a paid Discord. They're not promoting and asking constantly for you to be a member of their channel, or hiding content behind a monetized paywall. Like they're not doing any of that, but then people still want to become upset that these people are able to make money off of YouTube, yet it doesn't cost them a penny. I don't understand that. Someone needs to, like, explain that. Same with affiliate links. Like, using someone's code costs you zero. It doesn't cost anyone anything. It supports the channel, and that's the reason that, like, if you have someone that you enjoy and you appreciate their content, that is a way that you can show that appreciation. If you want to use whoever's code, that's fine. But then people want to present it like, oh, he makes money off of affiliates. And that means, like, they present it like that's some kind of terrible thing, where it's not even, I don't get it. I really don't. I need someone to explain to me how that is a bad thing. Like, how is that bad? It's not that I'm not having a paywall where, hey, as soon as I enter a trade, you have to pay $10 to see the trade. Like, no, that would be different. It's like, I do not understand. I'm just clueless, I guess. You know what I think it is? 99% of people that have issues with other people making money is jealousy. Unfortunately, it just becomes an envy, and it's a very, I don't know, it's a ugly, I don't know. I honestly don't know why, because that's just that's my 2 cents, you know. Hey, we're finally getting a little deeper pullback here. Okay, we got to stay on point here. Thank you, Sorrel. I appreciate that. That green eye monster's a real thing. Yep. Matty Matt, I got a message already from that. That's a certain someone is starting to, they're going to be putting out another course. Unbelievable. Hey, boys, see, this is now a deeper pullback. Now we got to wait. We got to wait till this pullback kind of materializes, and then I want to see some kind of consolidation, and then to see if we will try to make new highs. But this is why I've been hesitant to buy these pullbacks, because I do think we're due. And I'm totally fine. I'm totally fine just watching. I'm totally fine watching and waiting, do the wait and see mode. I should put out a marketing course. Yeah. It's not bad, though. Some may say it's like how you don't like full transparency. You don't like YouTubers who make money through affiliates or ad revenue. I'm not sure what you mean, TK. It's not bad. Personally, I think you don't make enough given the time you put in. Like though some may say it's like how you don't like full transparency. Are you saying, TK, like this whole thing about the full transparency needs to be on your YouTube channel? Because like we can go down that rabbit hole again, but I'm not even going to. But my transparency claim is with my trading. And if you've noticed, I actually don't put the full transparency on my videos anymore. I don't do that. I don't do the whole full transparency because I do feel like I'm not 100% fully transparent and I choose not to do so because of how I trade I do trade some of my accounts off stream. I don't trade all of my accounts on stream anymore. And for that, I mean, I'm not going to apologize for it because like that's how I have learned and how I've been able to be consistent, or at least more consistent. And it's how I've been able to get payouts. And I need to do I need to get payouts, bottom line. And trading off stream is easier. And that's why I only trade one account on stream, but I do update every night. That's why I do the updates and the recaps so that people can still follow along. And from one day to the next, I make sure I show so people can track my account balances and my P&L from day to day. And again, this is where it's just, to me, being able to track someone's account balances from day to day is what's important for me. So that's what I do. But that's my 2 cents, I guess. I'm saying there are some YouTubers who don't use any affiliates and don't take money from YouTube. And that is fine, TK. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with that. But who are they hurting? Or I'm not sure what the benefit would be of doing that. Like as a viewer. Like if you as a viewer, like how does that benefit you as a viewer or hurt you or like in any shape or form, I guess, or what is the benefit of that? That's what I guess my question. Because I mean, like, as far as YouTube goes, like, I mean, or if you would, okay, let me put it this way. If any YouTube community, if you have a YouTube community that has a core following, I would dare say if you would do a poll on the people that support that channel, why would those people not want that person to be able to make money? Like in a way that doesn't affect the viewer. Like the only thing the viewer has to do is actually watch the channel, and that's how they support it. But like I said, I don't understand some people. So I've kind of given up trying to understand how people think. I don't need to know. I'm just going to do my thing and what's important to me. And then if people think, you know, if that aligns with what you think, if that aligns with what you want to support, then follow along. If it doesn't and it's offensive to you and you're offended that I don't share, you know, every single penny that I make, then find a channel that does that and then follow them. That's my 2 cents. Yeah, you're fine, TK. I appreciate the conversation. I appreciate the perspective because I'm genuinely curious where that type of mindset comes from. Methodical Man said he made 8K last month in affiliate money. Yeah. And again, like if he thinks that's important, I guess the question is like, and I'm not opposed to it. My question is, how is that information useful to the viewer in any way? And how is that information beneficial, and how does it affect it, other than just because people are nosy and people are curious? That's the only, like, when it's trading related, I completely have a different perspective on it, because we're here trading, and even though a lot of us are not saying that we're profitable, we're saying that we're just learning, but people still want to know, can this guy trade or not? So if that's the case, then people want to see that. People want to know and have confirmation on it. But anyway, hey, 100 lot in the house. How we doing, bud? Will payout be denied if you DCA your one time with 2 contracts, but your fills are a tick off? I mean, I never really thought about that. I wouldn't. Hey, Rick Trades. Rick Trades. I'm so sorry. I saw the 20 and I was too deep in conversation. Rick Trades. You are too kind. You are too kind. Thank you for the $40, Rick Trades. I really do appreciate it, but you do not have to do that. You do not have to do that, but I do appreciate it. Thank you, Rick Trades. Thank you. That happened to you once on your PA. I think 100 lot, what I would do, make sure you record it, or at least export your CSV file for those days in case you get questioned about it. But that is a good point. There should be a little bit of forgiveness on exactly your fills. Like, there should be like a buffer, maybe 3 or 4 ticks, up and down. It should be. There should be a little buffer there that if you get filled and you place a market order, one gets filled here and one tick lower, that should not flag a DCA at all. I think we understand that, but yeah, there should be some kind of buffer. Hey, Hunter, I'm the master of honoring my stop. Yeah, sometimes to the detriment of me, or sometimes it feels like I honor my stop and then it shoots me in the tick and then goes higher. All right. Let's see. This is kind of a second entry long here, to be honest. I wonder. Man, I just realized how big of a move this is. Oh, man. Man, oh man. All right. I'm getting in. See if it fills me. And I'm going to have it. I hate. Oh. I'm going to have my stop pretty tight. I hate it. This would be a perfect example of if I had 10 micros here, I would take 5 of them off here and then have the other 5 at the high of day. But we might just get stopped out here. Doggone it. I don't know, man. This is one of those where I might need to go work out and let this trade work for 15 minutes and then come back and just live with the results. But you almost had a heart attack. I thought I bought a 10 lot. Oh, whew, nice, Trader J. That will definitely make your heart flutter. Yeah, it is 100 lot. It is. How's it been going for you, 100 lot? How's it been going? NQ is just making shameless new highs. I'm going to get stopped out here. I thought once we pulled above this, we were okay, but we're going to take our L here. Now, I just don't need this to rip higher now. Don't do it. I hate that kind of trade, to be honest. Because technically, I want to have my stop down here, but it's just too big of a stop. There we go. Keep ripping lower. There we go. That makes me feel better. All right, it's pulling back. Kind of failing here, the second failure at a new high, so now I'm really glad we had a tight stop. Accepting losses, 100 lot. Oh, tell me about it. That's still where I struggle with the most. Or when anytime I have blow up days, 100%, it's because I cannot. Well, it's like that's precisely why I failed when I was copy trading, and that's the main reason. It's the main reason why I stopped using the copy trader on my funded accounts, is just for that simple reason. Cannot accept a loss when it's spread out over that many accounts. It just looks too big, and in my brain, some kind of breaker flips in my brain, and I just think I can't do it. I'm like, nope. We do the old hope and pray mode, and those never work. Well, they work until they don't. And the other thing I used to like, the other issue I have then is then I would add to my losing position. Like, because once you are not willing to accept a loss, you do a couple things. The first thing you do is you move your stop loss. And then the second thing you do is you usually double down and you add to your losing position. So those two things is always what happens when I blow up. Those two things. So honestly, it's like, okay, what can I do to make that not an issue anymore? And for me, the answer was to just trade one account at a time. And if I trade one account at a time and I have a $300 loss, it just does not bother me. I will just take that loss, and it just really doesn't affect me that much. I mean, I don't like it, but it's not that I think I can't accept it. So for me, that was the biggest thing. But thank you, 100 a lot. I appreciate it. Well, I wish you well. I wish you well too. Sizing up when I'm down for the day is your killer. Oh, okay. I see, Trader J. It's those two things, but then it's also, and again, like, I'm going to sound like an Apex shill here. Okay. So it's fine, but I don't even care, because this is truly how I feel. Like, this DCA thing with Apex actually helps me. It really does. Now, I know for some people, it probably doesn't help, and I'm sorry. But for me, it actually really helps, because now that I have it in my head that if I dollar cost average more than once, I know I'm going to get denied this payout. So I don't have a temptation to do it. I don't. I have zero desire to add to a losing position more than one time. It's completely gone, because what is the point of doing it if I know that payout will just get denied? Like, it voids it makes no sense to do it. So it really has helped me. And then the other thing that helps me with Apex is the fact that with the consistency rule, it helps me to walk away once I'm up. Like, once I'm in profit, like $200-300 on each account, I have zero desire to try to keep trading. I'm totally fine just walking away, calling it a day and coming back the next time. So, I mean, I know everybody's got issues with the rule changes, but for me, they actually help. And it's different. Here's the thing that's interesting, because I've made those same rules in my mind. Like, I've written down, I can't count how many times I have written down, like, and put it on my monitor, don't add to losers. You know, I've tried that, but it doesn't have the same effect. But now that Apex has come out and said, hey, you cannot do this anymore or you're not getting paid, I don't have any issues and I have no desire to do it. It's like it finally something registered in my brain where I'm like, you know what? Yeah, I really don't want to do it anymore. Like, that solved it. So anyway, my 2 cents. All right, market. It's starting to feel dumpy. It's starting to feel where we just might continue to slowly pull back. Maybe pull back into FOMC and go from there. Obviously, here at the 480 is going to be an important level. But thank you, Underlot. No, I think every trader struggles with the same thing. But, all right, that's always how I feel. That is the main struggle with trading. It just is. I'm debating taking another stab at this. I want to get in like right here. If we get filled here, I'm going to get... Is it not going to fill me here? You little prick. Dang it. Is the Rithmic issue ever going to get solved, Neo? Are you having problems with Rithmic today? I feel like today Rithmic's been pretty good. Hey, good morning, Design. How we doing? Yeah, I go end trades. Yep. Man, I missed that entry right there. Didn't fill me by about a tick or two. Dang it. You gotta be kidding me. Man. My take profit trader Rithmic will not work. What the heck? Oh, man. Yeah, Johnny. I'm very, very excited to have my I'm very excited that I have 8 250K accounts that passed. Got to be careful though and just take it slow and not get too crazy with. I know that's my that's going to be my Achilles heel is to try to trade it like a $6,500 drawdown and then be way too aggressive on it. So we got to be just we got to just be chill, not do anything crazy. We 100% missed this. Feels bad. That is unfortunate. Man, I'm yeah, design. I think he's talking about the once you have a funded account with the 2,500. But yeah, I agree. Now the question is, will we pull back and make new lows here or not? I'm still interested in buying only here. I'm not looking to short. If you're down to one, yeah. Yeah, I would agree with that, Tom. Or at least for me, Rithmic seems to be working really well today, knock on wood, especially considering, you know, considering that we had the CPI news come out this morning and the volatility's been pretty high. So considering all that, I would say Rhythmic is held up pretty well today. Nice, Trader J. That's awesome. I've been hearing a lot of people that trade YM. You know what? Hang on. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time. I want to do a poll to see what you guys trade. All right? Let's do a poll to see what you guys trade. Oh, man. Can I only create 4 options for the poll? Come on. Come on, YouTube. Really? I can only do 4 options. So NQ, ES, GC, and then I almost have to put in other. All right, I'm going to start the poll. Make multiples, one for... Okay, I could do that. I can just make another one. Hang on. Wait, I can't make more than one poll at one time? Okay, YouTube, you're terrible. I guess I can't. I have to end this poll in order to start another one. Well, let's see. Currently, NQ is at 60%, and then ES is at 27%, and then gold is at 5%, and other is at 8%. Interesting. It's kind of what I figured. I've kind of figured that would be the result, but I've always been curious. I guess we could have done indexes, metals, and energy. I guess we could have done that up, down, or left, right. Man, my office is so warm today. Wow, look at this move. Man, I had my buy order right here at the 90s, and I didn't get filled by literally a couple ticks here. I hate when that happens. And now I don't want to chase. Yeah, visual. I've been seeing a lot of people that trade YM. I actually wanted to pull up the YM chart. I wanted to look at it. Where is it? Is YM RTY? Hey, Carngill, how we doing? Am I blind? Oh, there's YM. I'm actually blind. Okay, good to know. Okay, so just from a glance, this looks more like this price action looks a little more like ES, I would say. It would take me quite a bit to get comfortable with trading another symbol, because I know I've been watching and trading NQ for probably a year now, at least, maybe not quite. And just you get so used to the price movements, and that is really what YM is YM. I know, I know. Oh, you had me at ES is better. You guys like ES, huh? Hey, that's what I used to trade right when I started trading. All right, I'm going to end the poll. I kind of got the results, or I got what I wanted. NQ leads the poll at 70%, and then ES at 19, gold at 4%, and other at 6%. Good to know. Good to know. uh, Top Step will give you a Stetson cowboy hat if you pass a combine trading only lean hogs. Like, I'm dead serious. If that was a thing, like if that was legit true, I would 100% trade Top Step just to pass, just to get that cowboy hat. I demand a recount. uh, Wait, one guy, it is true? Are you serious? Are you serious, K Trader? That is a thing. Lean hog trading. Okay, I'm in. I'm in, man. Lean hogs. What's the symbol, folks? Probably doesn't even show up here. It's true? Oh my gosh, that's insane. That is awesome. That's the best thing I've heard on Top Step in a long time. It's LE or HG. I have no idea. Let me search. Lean Hogs Futures. Oh, that is too funny. HE. So it's HE, right? Currently trading at 90.4. It has only 11,000 in volume for today. It's HE. But fourth, I'm not sure what, like, HE. Here we go. Lean hogs for your viewing pleasure. Oh man, that just hurt my eyes. Wow. Looks like we got a major sell-off in lean hogs right now. Wow. We were up at 112 and now we're down to, this is 10 points. Yeah. It's good stuff right here. Well, now we've checked that out. I've learned something new today. We have learned something today. Yeah, the hogs, they seem to trend. Time to buy bacon. Fat hogs or boss hogs. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. Oh, that's funny. All right, now we're pulling back again. We did not make new highs. Guys, do you know RT, you said, but I want that. You want that hack. I don't know why this made me think of this, but I gotta tell you, I gotta shout out a YouTuber that you guys have to check him out. Okay. Oh man. You know, I'm every now and then this YouTuber here definitely worth a follow. Here, let me show him. Whoa, let me hang on. This market wants to do something. I want that. That's what made me think of this YouTuber. Does anybody know if I say I want that? Let's see if someone else follows this specific YouTuber. He's got 4.4 million subscribers, so some of you might follow this guy already. Let's see. Nope. He bought 4 evals and paid for 3 PAs that I passed, and none of them are on my Rithmic Ninja Trader dashboard. Yeah. XBL, they updated Rithmic last night and everything is delayed. So the account creations and stuff is delayed. I think end of day today. They hope to be caught up, but yeah, things are. Say it again. I want that. And he calls wood. He calls wood. I want that. Come on. Some of you got to know. Some of you have got to be subscribed to this guy. Don't tell me that you guys don't know who this guy is. All right, fine. I'm going to show it. It is here. This guy right here. Bobby Duke. Bobby the Duke. This guy's legit. All right. This guy makes things out of weird things, but it's how he does it that makes his channel so a fun watch. Okay. You got to actually watch and but I don't know why. He tickles my funny bone. He cracks me up. The guy is off the rails a little bit, but he's hilarious. He's hilarious, but he's also very talented. Like what he can do it's amazing. But yeah, he's a little weird doing it. You got to check him out, guys. You will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. This is tempting. I'm not going to do it. Oh. Man. Oh. I'm missing out on everything. Ay, 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 ay. Unbelievable. Being hesitant today. I'm being hesitant. Hate when I do that. I hate it. We just 7-Eleven. But what the channel's about, he basically just he takes things and he makes things out of them. He's great at carving, and I mean he's very talented. You know how YouTube works, right? I'm sure this has happened to every single one of you, but you start by watching a video. You start watching a video, It's one of those days where it's, you know, it's getting late at night and you can't fall asleep. So you go on YouTube and you start watching this video, and then this video gets recommended, and then you watch that video, and then the next video recommends and you watch that one. And 30 minutes later, you are watching something that you had zero intention of ever watching, ever. That happened to me the other night. And guess where I ended up? I ended up watching, and again, I kind of blame YouTube for this, because I'm like, I don't know how I got here, but I feel like I was misled. I don't feel like this is where I belong. I'm somewhere where I'm lost. I did not know my way back home. But I was watching brain surgeons perform surgery and literally cut people's scalp open and actually doing the surgery and removing tumors and that stuff. And I'm one that gets a little queamish with blood. So all of a sudden, it just kind of dawned on me, why am I watching this? This is not something I should be doing. It was very interesting, though. I will give him that. What? Market? I hate you. I actually hate you, market. I should have pulled the trigger, and I didn't. I should have pulled the trigger. Try 2 hours. It knows what I want. I don't know that it does. I'm sure someone probably found my channel that way. You know, it's like they're probably watching, you know, I don't even know what. They're watching something, and all of a sudden they find themselves on my channel, and they're like, what in the world am I doing here? Oh man, I missed it because I was just too hesitant. And when I say hesitant, it means I was scared. That's technically what that's technically what it means. Because right here, as soon as we failed to make new lows right here, and then once we pushed above this candle, like literally the 515s was my entry. Rewind the tape, and I literally just, I mean, I didn't get filled, but in a sense, when that happens, I need to just hit the ask and go. But hey, you know, here we are. Here we are, brokenhearted. Let's see if we make new highs. Let's see if we make new highs here. We are at the 30s. Here I am scalping with Tom. Oh, that's awesome. I was watching Patrick Whelan, and some nutty in the chat starts writing, here is my 500. Patrick Whelan blocks him. So I Google, who is Nutty Bar and where is $500? And here you are. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. That is good stuff. That is good stuff. But I know there's definitely been there's been quite a bit of like loyal followers that are also loyal viewers of Patrick. So hey, we can all have different tastes, right? Nutty, better love story than Twilight. But guys, imagine. It was $800, by the way. Let's not get it twisted. Just to make sure that we keep the facts right, it's $800. I'm I'm still waiting. Every day I go and check the mail. I'm like, oh, dang it. Still haven't gotten that $800 yet. If I buy the market or buy the limit. So I buy at the ask. I just hit the ask. That's what I hit. And I almost always get filled unless the market is moving extremely fast. Sorry, Trader's Chick. I was actually, it went through my head and I'm like, I wonder if Trader's Chick is still here. Shameless. I keep checking every day and my heart gets broken every day. I go and check and I'm like, oh man, it's still not here. So sad. I'll take Patrick Whelan to Judge Judy for the $800. Oh, that's too funny. It's more of a meme. It's a meme at this point more than anything. I don't even really care technically, but I think it's still funny. I still think it's funny. I'm such a drama king. True. I'm not going to be able to argue that one. Too funny. So I don't have the limit. I mean, the ask, I'm hitting the ask, which would be a limit order. Yeah. Let's go. Go and trades. Made bank on the YM. Let's go. It's much calmer than NQ. Yeah. I hear you. I hear you, man. I hear you loud and clear. NQ is kind of one of those things where, you know, once you get used to it, you kind of start liking it, you know? I was going to make a comparison to something, but I'm really glad I didn't. I'm really glad that I processed that thought before it went out of my mouth, because man, that would have been bad. Does the Apex one-day pass mean to end of the current trading day or 24 hours? End of trading day, Ethanus. Now, one-day pass means you can pass in one day. One-day pass does not mean that you have to pass in one day. All right? Don't do it. So you don't have to pass in one day, but if you want, you can. I feel like I'm just going to be... Today is definitely one of those days where, looking at the chart, I should be making money. This is my kind of price action. It really is. Yet here we are, down $198. That's always very frustrating. And mainly because I was hesitant. That's why. But it is what it is. Just go long. I know, design. I know. Just keep hitting that buy button, right? YM, you have to do math with each tick is 1 Dow pound. Oh, I see. Last Saturday night, I took 2 bong hits and 4 beers. I watched your drone video for 3 hours. God. Oh my gosh. I have some very special viewers. Okay. I really do. I don't think we're ever going to be able to do a meet and greet because I think I would be kind of scared, to be honest. That's awesome though. I'm glad that you found a way to use that drone footage to the best of your abilities. That's awesome. Took 2 bong hits and 4 beers, and I watched your drone video for 3 hours. Very therapeutic. Ah, man, I love it. You know, that channel on, let me actually look at that channel for the, it's called KLR Scenic Views. And let's just say, actually, some of you guys here probably don't even, you guys don't even know. You guys don't even know that I have this other channel. And sometimes kind of ashamed to admit it because, I don't know, some of it feels a little cringy. But we had a lot of fun. This here, hang on, where is it? Right here. This video here is very therapeutic. I like this video, which I don't have the sound on, but this here is actually my brother that lives in Colorado. So that was pretty cool. We went all the way to the top of this mountain, and I took my drone out. It was extremely windy. So it was kind of hard to really get some good drone shots, but we tried. But that was fun. That's my brother that I'm going to go visit again here in July. So that's going to be fun. Oh, yes. And I also have, this is the channel that I have some of my lawn mowing videos on as well. Oh man, I haven't seen some of these videos in a long time. I'm not even monetized on this channel yet. Oh my gosh. Oh, and this is where, oh, I forgot. I even have, when I was playing Farming Simulator at 6 years ago, I forgot that's still on this channel. Also, our full time lapse of remodeling our basement is also on this channel. I forgot about that. Ah, good times, good times. Anyway, back to the markets. Sometimes I like to reminisce. I'm having trouble with Ninja connection. Justice, I'm sorry. I really don't know. It has to be something with Ninja. Are you sure? I mean, obviously, I would check with Ninja because I have no idea how to help you with that, Justice. I'm sorry. What's the name of the channel? It is KLR Scenic Views. You have carpet cleaning videos? Oh, I like those, Trip Moses. I always like the it's very satisfying to watch. What's the news today, Tate? Oh, I mean, we're waiting. We're just, at this point, FOMC will be at 2 o'clock. I think I wouldn't be surprised if we just kind of go sideways, but also wouldn't be shocked if we just keep making new highs. So I guess we'll wait. All right, here we are pulling back again. Man, I'd like. Have I? Thank you, RT. A big problem at Ninja and Rithmic. You have a very bad connection. I haven't noticed anything today. But what do I know? I'm gonna try it. If this fails, then I'm no more trading until after FOMC. Oh, come on. I wanted to see this thing rip, not pull back. Rip it. Come on, don't give up on me now. It's failing at the license verification. Oh man, market. This thing gonna pull back now and get me. Man, I'm not liking this. You know what? It's time to do a little workout. And we're back. Feels bad. Yeah, we just never got above this. Oh, man. I just cannot seem to get that account going. Or that account keeps going like down and up and down and up and down, and it just basically keeps going net neutral. Nah, man. I think I'm gonna wait. Maybe we try to make this back on FOMC, but we all know the FOMC this account could be gone in a blink of an eye if we trade this on FOMC. It's the same as all your PA's been doing the last 2 weeks. Honestly, this account would probably be blown if it wouldn't have been for those 2 days that Apex reset the losses. It's unfortunate. I mean, it is what it is. Probably shouldn't be trading here right before FOMC. Been known to be choppy. Yeah, FOMC is a PA destroyer. Well, you know what? I should see if Travis wants to play some VR golf. Oh, and now we're pulling back more. All right. Hmm. Yeah, I'm actually thinking about just taking a break until FOMC minutes. I'm trying to think what I want to do. All right. Let me check. Oh man, I'm so tempted to go long again. Oh man. All right. All right, guys. I think I'm going to end stream. I'm going to take a little break. The kids are going to go swimming and they want me to go with them. So I might go do that just for an hour. And then, yeah, I'll be back around 1:45 and we'll be here for the FOMC. But I'm just going to start stream up again instead of keeping stream running for that long. I'm just gonna. You're gonna watch cleaning pool video. Oh yeah, that cleaning pool. I think that was like my most viewed video on my other channel. It's pretty. That actually surprised me how well that worked. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna end stream now, and then we'll start it back up around 1:45. So we'll see you on the other side.